In this video, I'll show you how to convert a video storyboard into audio only in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. On screen is a video storyboard. So you're creating your storyboard and all that, and probably you're not going to be adding any media to the video. You're only interested in the audio version. Pretty simple, and you need to get into the composition settings, and there are two ways. You either click on these sliders to show the composition settings, click on that, and then click on this particular option, the drop down here from the full HD, click on that and click on audio only. Once you do that, everything now is going to be in the audio only perspective, and you're now going to work right inside here as you do your edits the way you want, using the correct modes, whatever, etc. So it's pretty fast that way. Or you can actually click on this, and then you can now change back to video if that is what you want. And then once you do that, you get back to your video. Simple. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.